In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Jujutsu Chronicles on console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and play Jujutsu Chronicles on any console that you have, either Xbox or PlayStation. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Roblox on any console and using the search function, look for Jujutsu Chronicles. You will be able to find the experience made by the creators, Jujutsu Chronicles, who have this verified icon, and you can confirm that it is the official experience by the fact that it has more than 20 million visits. Now, you will notice that I am recording this process on my PC. I apologize, I don't have a console at the moment where I can record Roblox on, but you don't have to worry, the process is going to be exactly the same. Once you find Roblox and you go over to Jujutsu Chronicles inside of the game, you just have to join the experience using the green button, but for this video I'm gonna go into a private server because it is easier for me to get gameplay. So immediately upon joining the experience, you will be good to go. You can now play the entirety of Jujutsu Chronicles regardless of the console that you have. You will be able to explore the controls and see how everything works. So the first thing that you should do is choose where you want to spawn, and you can use the options or select button to highlight things on the screen and select them, and then once you are inside of the game, you are basically free to explore. You will be able to use your skills, so you can see the skill set at the bottom right, but keep in mind that console support isn't very good. So, while you can still do some actions, as you can see I am punching at the moment, a lot of them are going to be limited, so you have to keep that in mind. It is possible for you to play and enter Jujutsu Chronicles on any console, but the actual gameplay is going to be very difficult, and you probably won't be able to do literally every single thing that is currently available in the experience, but as long as you keep that in mind, you will be able to join the experience regardless. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Jujutsu Chronicles on console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.